Welcome to GariAutoCare. I'm Tim Wire. This vehicle has a check engine on the dashboard. Today I'm going to show you how to solve that. So I'm going to use my Diagnostic machine to scan this vehicle. Still reading. Okay. Read the fault code. Signal voltage, measurement value, temperature, the function of relay, the measurement of relay, the level, the oil level, the value, the rail pressure, check the time, sense of temperature, the signal component, the signal voltage, the variable. Have a lot of fault code, the internal faulty. So I'm going to do some research. The first fault code, which is the first culprit, it said that change the engine oil and oil filter immediately, perform oil life maintenance motor reset on the dashboard, and check for associated DPF or engine system warning signs. So according to that, I'm going back to the cabin so that we can confirm according to the signals on the dash cam. So on the dash cam, it said the TCM oil, the engine system, the wiper spray, the engine oil, then we have the brake fluid, the air filter, then we have the transmission and manual oil. Those are things we need to check. Those are rare lights, the engine oil. So let's start with the brake fluid. It's here. Wow, the brake fluid is low, so we need to add. The engine oil is high. We have a lot of oil on the engine oil, around 3 liters. So we are going to check the transmission oil. So the transmission uses two types of oil. We have the normal gear oil or CC, then we have the ATF section. So this is the normal oil, the normal gear oil, what we call the CC oil. So let me show you. Gear oil. So to check the CC oil, use your small finger like that. So we have oil. That one is okay. Under CC oil. I think that one is okay. The oil of then we have another oil, which is the ATF section. So to check this, you need to start the vehicle until you see the overflow. See, there is a lot of oil. So the engine is running. We need to drain the oil. This mistake has been caused by the mechanic. This is the gear oil, which is CC, and here is ATF only. I think right now it's okay. When the engine is running, you need to open the cork so that it can overflow. So let's go back to the engine oil. It should drain around 3 liters. Like that. This person has done the service on the petrol station. Look. So let me confirm. Right now I think it's okay. Let me zoom so that you can see it's on the dot. So the level right now, the level is okay, the TCM level and the engine level. So we are going back to mass airflow sensor and map sensor. Look at this map sensor, very dirty. I'm going to use the home cleaner, the home dry cleaner, to clean mass airflow sensor and map sensor like that. So we are done with map. The same home dry cleaner, I'm going to use that to clean the mass airflow sensor like that. So everything is clean. I'm cleaning those sensors to reduce fuel consumption. So I'm going to install everything back exactly the way it was, but sometimes as mechanic we need to be serious. He has done this service on one of the big petrol station, but I can't say the name. But please, we need to be very, very serious. So we need to make sure everything is intact. Then the sockets. Now we are going to check the air cleaner or the air filter. So I'm going to replace with the new one because I can't trust those mechanics. Then we have the steering level fluid. It was low. So let me go back and clear the fault code from the system. FUSO Mitsubishi Canter. Then we have engine is 4P10. Then under engine control module, then we have IPA. Those are the details of the vehicle. Right now the vehicle is running, but we have check engine. So we have, okay, read the fault code. So I'm going to clear the fault code. Off. My ignition is on. I have already cleared the fault code from the system. Let me start the vehicle. Whoa, fantastic. Right now everything's working perfect. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.